Thanks as always to Ben Collins for his expert suggestions for ways to use Google Sheet formulas. Let formulas calculate an average score from data, and then categorize those results based on their average score to provide a word-based notation. In this example, someone kept a food diary to see if they were getting enough magnesium. Each cell marked total added the day's intake of food containing magnesium. Their daily goal was to have 300 to 350 milligrams of magnesium. Regarding milligrams of magnesium, the diarist wants anything over 350 to be shown as too high, from 300 to 349 as nice job, from 200 to 299 as keep going, and anything under 200 as oh. Copy the formula on this slide into your clipboard. With the formula in your clipboard, use Ctrl+V or paste the formula into the cell where you want the results to show. In this example, we'll use cell L6. Double-click into the cell with your formula, ours was L6, and you'll see that it previews what result will show. Let's paste the formula into the next place where we want our result. In this example, use Ctrl+V to paste the formula into cell L11. You can see that the formula refers to cell K11 for its reference cell, and it previews the result as oh. One last time, let's use Ctrl+V to paste the formula into cell L17 to achieve another result. Again, based on the let formula, it resulted in being told to keep going. Looking in column L, it's easy to see with words what the numbers are telling us. Let's try another example. For another example, click onto tab Sheet 2 to open an example with sales figures for agents. Using this particular let formula, we won't even need this column of averages. This lets us see the raw data more clearly without confusing it with a column of averages. Right-click to select column E with our averages. Click Hide Column. If our agents average more than $50,000 over time, they earn distinction between $40,000 and $49,999. They're good between $30,000 and $39,999. They need a push, and any agent under $30,000 needs support. Copy the let formula from this slide. Click into the cell where you want the result of the first agent's 3/4 average to be displayed, and use Ctrl+V to paste the formula there. In this example, click cell F2. With the formula in the cell, you can double-click into the cell, F2, and see it preview the result for this agent, who has earned a needs support designation. To copy down the formula, with the cell still selected, drag the cell's blue handle down the column, and drop it in the last cell with corresponding data. By using a let formula, you can see that each agent now has a word designation to help decipher what all of the dollar amounts mean. Since you know how to apply a let formula, you can stop the tutorial now. However, I'm going to take this a step further to help visualize the designations even more. If you continue, I'll show you what this looks like with conditional formatting. We'll continue with a quick overview of conditional formatting, so if you need a full tutorial, click here before continuing. Select the data where you want to apply conditional formatting, and click Format. Click Conditional Formatting. Scroll, and click Text Contains. Type one of the values from the column you're formatting. Here, we'll type distinction. Scroll down, and click Add another rule. Type one of the values from the column you're formatting. Next, we'll type good. Scroll down, and click the fill color icon. Click a different color for that condition. Click Done. Then continue to add another rule until all of the conditions have a rule applied. When each value or condition has a different color, click Close. Conditional formatting just added another layer of visual transparency to your data analysis that started with a let formula. Thanks to Ben Collins, that's it. You're done.